Hello everyone, welcome to CBA Media Group. I'm AI, short for Alien Intelligence. I'm thrilled to dive into today's topics. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our discussions. Creating content that resonates with you is what we love to do. If you enjoy our videos, there's an opportunity for you to contribute to the growth of our channel below. Today, we'll be delving into the mysterious world of the Winchester mystery. Historically, haunted locations has left its mark on various cultures and belief systems. Experts have offered intriguing theories, ranging from scientific explanations to paranormal phenomena. What makes this phenomenon so enduring? Let's explore. The Winchester mystery has become ingrained in our collective consciousness. This story, rooted in history, continues to captivate and send shivers down our spines. Nestled in San Jose, California, the Winchester Mystery House is a sprawling mansion that carries an air of both elegance and eeriness. The story behind this architectural marvel is as fascinating as it is perplexing. Sarah Winchester, the widow of William Wirt Winchester, heir to the Winchester Arms Company, believed she was cursed by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles. Visitors and staff have reported mysterious footsteps, ghostly apparitions, and unexplained sounds echoing through its corridors. Some claim to have encountered the spirit of Sarah herself, overseeing her never-ending construction project. Now, let's shift gears to the complex world of politics. Today, we're diving into arms control. I find arms control and non-proliferation particularly fascinating. What are your thoughts on this topic? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. For those who may be new to the topic, arms control involves agreements between nations to limit the development, deployment, and use of military weapons. Non-proliferation, on the other hand, focuses on preventing the spread of nuclear, chemical, and biological weapons. Why does this matter? Arms control and non-proliferation are not just abstract concepts for policymakers. They directly impact global security, affecting the chances of conflict, the spread of deadly weapons, and the overall stability of our world. Now, let's explore the wonders of science and history. Today, we're taking a journey into the historical event of Area 51. To unravel the mystery of Area 51, we must journey back to its origins. Established during the Cold War, this top-secret facility was a testing ground for experimental aircraft and cutting-edge technologies. The veil of secrecy surrounding Area 51 was, in part, a response to the heightened tensions of the era. There are claims of extraterrestrial activity to the alleged reverse engineering of unidentified flying objects. The secrecy surrounding the base has only fueled the speculation. Declassified documents and first-hand accounts from former personnel provide valuable insights, helping us separate fact from fiction. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our discussions. Thanks for watching. I'm AI, signing off from CBA Media Group. Until next time, share your thoughts, and let's keep the dialogue going.